I, Sandhya,
And I'm Monita Priyanka.
welcome you all on the behalf of entire family of Bachpan and AHPS.
A person who leads and inspires the student community to grow to be the young, talented minds. She is known for her honesty and credibility in life. She is a woman of affection, approach, dynamic, and unique personality. She is none other than our principal, Mrs. Bindu Priya ma'am. We welcome her to invite the dignitaries onto the dais.
Welcome you all to this annual function called Enjoy School Days. Now, before we start off with the program, I would like to invite our dignitaries onto the dais. So please join me in inviting our Regional Director, Mr. Srikanth Reddy, Regional Director Operations. Can we have you on stage, sir? Please welcome him with a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Mrs. Rupa Reddy, Regional Director Academics. Why did you stop the clapping? Can we have our Director, Mr. Srinivasa Rao, Director Operations for Miapur and Hafizpet? And also, can we have Mrs. Satyavani onto the dais, Director for Miapur and Hafizpet? Welcome, Directors. Now we have a bouquet presentation. Mrs. Bhavani presenting the bouquet to Mrs. Rupa Reddy. Mrs. Meenakshi will present the bouquet to Mr. Srinivasa Rao. Mrs. Sita will present the bouquet to Mrs. Satyavani. Ladies and gentlemen, you have to clap for these people for taking their time and coming here and also helping us to march towards the success of this program and all other. Now, I would request the directors to march towards the lighting of the lamp.
వరవీణా మృదుపాణి వరలుహలోచనురాణి సురుచిరబంబరవేణి సురనుత కళ్యాణి నిరుపమ శుభగుణలోల నిరత జయా ప్రదశీల వరదా ప్రియ రంగనాయకి వాంఛిత ఫలదాయకి సరసీజాసను జనని జయ 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 ప్రదశీల. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Now we have memento presentation to our principal, Mrs. Bindu Priya, by our regional director and directors, Mrs. Rupa Reddy and Mrs. Satyavani will present the memento. Regional directors and directors Mrs. Rupa Reddy and Mrs. Satyavani will present the memento to Mrs. Andhra Sain, in charge for Hafizpet branch.
Bachpan, a play school, was launched in 2003 with a standard of international level of play school. We at Bachpan educate the children through tradition and practical mode of education and also through the innovative ways of nurturing them to become an intelligent and smart child, and by this we believe in concept learning. As on date, Bachpan has a network of 1,000 plus schools all over the nation, with the largest network in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana with more than 100 plus schools. Looking to the demands of parents from all the corners, the House of Bachpan, SK Educations Provide Limited, has come up with Academic Heights Public School to expand our proficiency to regular schooling, that is secondary and senior secondary schools, and touch the horizon of education with pride and glory. With 100 plus branches all over the nation, when we have started the Bachpan school at Pragati Enclave, the school strength was around 150. And today, our total strength is 850, and still we are expecting many more admissions. An event was organized by us called Color Days to make the child identify the color and also the importance and usage of the color. We have celebrated all the major festivals at our school. Children were dressed up colorfully in their traditional dresses to symbolize the festival. Children were taken to these field trips on a regular basis as a part of practical mode of education. Inter-school competitions were conducted for Bachpanites, and our students won so many medals in all the activities. Other than for Bachpan, even for AHPS school, inter-school competitions were conducted in state and national level. State level competitions were conducted at Shamsherganj branch, and the national level competitions were conducted at Delhi. So in the state level competition, the students stood first in Hindi recitation, Hindi paragraph writing, English paragraph writing, and running race. And in national level competitions, a student grabbed the medals in Hindi recitation, English paragraph writing, Hindi paragraph writing, science quiz, solo dance competition, etc. Students from class 3 stood 30th and 50th rank in National Spell Bee competition held at Kolkata. Other than the literary activities, students from age peers also grabbed medals in Kung Fu and skating karate state level competitions. Apart from Miapur, the above mentioned competitions are also conducted in Hafiz-Pet branch even. Other than the literary activities and the other activities, we've also visited the orphanage to celebrate New Year 2016 on 31st December 2015 from the funds which was raised during our Edu Fun Fest stalls were organized. We received a great response for cooking and Rangoli competitions which were organized for mothers in Hafiz-Pet and Miapur branch. As we are planning to do many more such events going forward to make the children an enjoyable learning at Bachman and Academic Heights Public School. I would like to thank our Regional Director, Mr. Srikanth Reddy, and our Director, Mr. Srinivasa Rao, for helping us at each and every step and providing their guidance and support to march through the steps ahead for making Bachman and AHPS a true unique school that would symbolize the diversity in our intellectual growth of our children. Now, before I conclude for the day, there's a long-awaited good news for all the parents who are eagerly waiting here today to listen from our mouth. So, are there any guesses? Yes, that is our campus coming up at Malampet near Bachupalli. Our new campus coming up at Malampet near Bachupalli. I really want to be here, a big round of applause. Can you all guess, how did he guess and why the voice is so high? Because he is the person who is really waiting for this campus. Not only he, there are many other people, other than the parents, even the staff, even me, myself, are waiting for this campus for a so long time. So that is the reason he could say so loudly. So can we have a big round of applause for the upcoming campus? Thank you, directors, for approving the land. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the stage is all set and future leaders are ready to show their talent and charisma. Now is the time to adore them, cheer them, and cherish in your heart these fond memories of the blooming buds into lovely flowers. Thank you once again for being patient and cooperating with us. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
We dance for laughter. We dance for tears. We dance for madness. And we dance for fears. We dance for hopes. We dance for screams. We are the dancers. We create the dreams. Dance is the most beautiful form of expression of human feelings. Dances are the messengers of gods. Today we are about to witness some great dances, some great talent. So let's gear up for a beautiful startup of the show with a classical song.
जाके अपनी भैंस चराए।
बस आज की रात है, कल से वही से अपे हैं, जी भर के नाच लो ना, घर वाले ना मापे हैं, क्लब पे अपना राज है, डरने की क्या बात है, ये तो बस शुरुआत है, ये तो बस शुरुआत है।
अरे अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है। बाद में ना कहना कुछ भी, पहले ही दे दूं वार्निंग। पार्टी चलेगी टिल 6 in the morning। जी भर के ना चले वे भी नाच नाच के तोड़ दे सैंडल। आंटी पुलिस बुला लेगी तो यार तेरा कर लेगा हैंडल। सूचना जनहित में जारी, जिसको अपनी जान प्यारी, चुपचाप वो फ्लोर पे आए, फ्लोर पे आके नाचे गाए, नखरे वखरे ना दिखाए, शर्म को करते बाय बाय, माइकल जैक्सन वाले 2-3 एक्शन करके दिखाए। पार्टी करनी है हम पार्टी करेंगे, किसी के भी पापा से नहीं
माहौल में छाई कुमारी है, सारे थक के बैठ गए पर अपनी पार्टी जारी है। पर पंगा तो कोई शुरू करे, अपनी भी गरारी है, जुम्मी चूकी नोक पर रखी दुनिया सारी है, रखी दुनिया सारी है।
अरे अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है। अरे अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है। अरे अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है। अरे अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है। और जिसको डांस नहीं करना वो जाके अपनी भैंस चराए।
जोरों की भूख लगी, मुर्गे की बांग हमें कोयल की भूख लगी।
चौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा, रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा। हे, चौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा, रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा। आधा है नॉन वेज और वेज है आधा, स्पष्ट कीजिए क्या है इरादा। चाहिए नान या रोटी, चाहिए रान या बोटी, मंगा लो राम कसम कष्ट हो जाए। थोड़ी बिरयानी बुखारी, थोड़ी फिर नल्ली निहारी, ले आओ आज धर्म भ्रष्ट हो जाए। ये किचन से आवाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू, तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू, यही कहता है आज चिकन कुकड़ू कू, तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू। दे किचन से आवाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू, तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू, यही कहता है आज चिकन कुकड़ू कू, तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू। पेट में ठेस लगी, चूहों की रेस लगी, गला सूखे कुएं का पंप हुआ, गुड़ 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 बोलता हर अंग हुआ। पैर तन में है भूकंप हुआ, और दिल का ताड़ हुआ, राई का पहाड़ हुआ, उड़ा चेहरे का भी है रंग हुआ। गुड़ 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 बोलता हर अंग हुआ, पैर तन में है भूकंप हुआ। लाओ कोफ्ता लाओ कोरमा, लाओ शोरबा लाओ शर्मा, सारे उपवास भले नष्ट हो जाए। थोड़ी बिरयानी बुखारी, थोड़ी फिर नल्ली निहारी, ले आओ आज धर्म भ्रष्ट हो जाए। ये किचन से आवाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू, तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू, यही कहता है आज चिकन कुकड़ू कू, तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू। खाओ पियो मस्त रहो, रहो अलमस्त रहो, कल का सोचना ये अंत करो। कर तो आज का प्रबंध करो, नहीं तो चुप रहो मुंह बंद करो। चम्मच थाली बजे, कटोरी खाली बजे, कुछ परोसना आरंभ करो। करो कुछ आज का प्रबंध करो, नहीं तो चुप रहो मुंह बंद करो। जरा टंगड़ी जरा टिक्का, जरा मीठा जरा तीखा, सभी की प्लेट में एडजस्ट हो जाए। थोड़ी बिरयानी बुखारी, ब्रेकफास्ट हो जाए। किचन से आवाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू, तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू, यही कहता है आज चिकन कुकड़ू कू, तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू। किचन से आवाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू, तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू, यही कहता है आज चिकन कुकड़ू कू, तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू।
Now Mrs. Chitra Jyotsna will propose vote of thanks.
I am grateful to propose the word of thanks to each and everyone who have contributed for the overwhelming success of today's program. I extend grateful thanks to our guest of honor for making it convenient to attend our program. I owe my heartfelt thanks to the organizer of this program, our director sir, Mr. Srinivas Rao and Mrs. Bindu Priya ma'am, who have planned these programs with meticulous care and made selfless effort to make it a unique one. I also extend my sincere thanks to all the parents for their excellent cooperation. We shall remember their contribution in allowing and encouraging their wards to participate in this program and make it a success. Any program cannot achieve success without imparting sufficient training to the students. The wonderful songs and colorful items of our show reveal as to how much our beloved teachers have put in their tireless efforts imparting perfect training to the students. I also extend my sincere thanks to dance teachers for training our students with a lot of patience. My thanks also go to the members of the print and electronic media who have always cooperated to attend a program to give wide coverage. The appropriate lighting, sound and music system provided has richly enhanced the grandeur of the show. I thank them sincerely. I express my gratitude to the supporting staff who contributed their share to the success of today's program. Thank you one and all.